Beautiful tree-lined streets, incredibly friendly neighborhood, phenomenal schools, and a great place to raise your kids. Welcome to 30 Woodview Drive. Beautiful grand entry and this incredible sweeping staircase. Incredibly spacious chef's kitchen, ready for you to entertain. An oversized living room with abundant natural light. A sophisticated office right here at home. After your meeting, you can walk right out to the deck to enjoy dinner with friends and family. First floor primary with its own ensuite. And a grand second floor primary as well. And 3 more large sunlit bedrooms. I'm James Joslin with the Wilton Group here at Queenston Realty in Princeton, New Jersey. Reach out to me today for more information. Thanks for watching.